how to use Flipgrid if you don't have the app on your iPad. Some of you may have it preloaded, some of you may not. So what you're going to do is press here on Safari, which is your web browser that looks like a blue compass with white and red on it. So you're going to open that up. You're going to go to flipgrid.com and you're going to click where it says sign up. You're going to join the discussion by press enter a class code. And our class code is Lucadamo. So that's Mrs. Liz's last name, Lucadamo, 9005. And you're going to press go. It's going to ask you to join with Google. So you're going to use your ps139.org email. So that's your first name and your last name in all caps. I'm going to use my PS139 email. Hopefully it should be loaded just like this. If not, you can type it in. Mine asked me for my password, and I'm going to put in my password.